Oh, okay. So, what was I doing? Okay. The logic of it is whenever someone's okay, one of these is equivalent to three. Wait a second. Yeah. I'm trying to think about how to word this on the page. Because one of this is equal to three of these. So if I order two, then that's one order of 6 meals. But if I do this, then this one is equivalent to five. So then that's 10. But now if I do this, then this is equivalent to 15. So how I want to do this is okay. This is what I was talking to him last night about was exactly how to do this because like in my mind, if I'm ordering two, like if I okay, if I order two of these, would this start a new order? Or would this still apply to like it's difficult. Is there a better way I can phrase this? Like word it for people to like understand like straight off the bat. Matter of fact, hold up. Is this live on the what like the website? Hold up. If so, I can just feed this into dang it, it's not. Okay. What I was gonna do was just feed the web page into Gemini and have Gemini just word the whole thing better, if possible. So, since that's not an option right now, okay. Ooh, that leads me to my next problem. When someone does this, should I allow them to do this? And if I do allow them to do this, I don't. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do one at a time. I'm just gonna do one at a time, and then they have order, and then it'll like finalize whatever, and then they'll have to come back and do this, just to make it simple. So, um, um, good thing this isn't an eight. This would look crazy if this was an eight or a wait. If this was a three and this was a wait, didn't I just clear the chat because of this for this very reason? Anyways, um, so um, so the logic is one at a time, and then someone ordered how? Wait, let me go to Twitch. What they say? How did? I'll allow it. I'll allow it. Oh, Jeff Bezos is trying to not let people have fun. Or Andy Jassy now. Anyways, so this is one order. How is that bad? We gotta get to the bottom of this. These are the real problems that need to be answered. So that works. D is bad? Man, let the people have fun. Oh. Dang, did I just accidentally just ruin my chat? Wow. So basically this will send someone. Should I now have a cart if that's the case? If I'm doing one order at a time. Okay, wait. It doesn't make sense. Oh, a modal popped up. Hold on. I want to make a cart system so that whenever someone, ooh, no. Okay. I want to make it so that if someone I want to make it so that, for example, if the 6-meal option is selected, there cannot be a maximum of 2 meals selected, meaning if someone has one order of chicken pasta and one order of Cajun wings, there cannot be a second increment of either. Additionally, I know it's messy. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. It'll make sense. It'll make sense. Just wait for it. If there is only one meal selected and the customer has ordered 2 of them under the 6-meal plan option, don't allow anything else to be clicked. They would have to add that order to the cart. Yeah, we're doing this. Hold up. We're doing this. We're doing this. This is a mess. Hold up. Wait a minute. Should we just do this? Oh, I can't do this because it doesn't have context of what's going on. Whoops. I want to have a cart system that you know what? Let me just try to see what it says. Oh, whoops. The same goes for if the 10 meal option is selected and the 15. For the 15, apply the logic of 3 rather than 2. Let's just see. I want to see if it actually like does it. Huh? No. No. What? This doesn't look right. I think this is breaking something. Ooh, you're not wrong. If it doesn't work, I'll just undo it and then go back to freeform and figure out how I would do this. Also, I may need to just transfer all of this into freeform because this isn't difficult to do, but I just don't want to use two different like software applications. What? Okay. Oh, this is just tearing everything up. Yep, and there are errors. Well, time to undo. Cool. Okay. Freeform time. Okay. So wait, text first and then diagram? How are we doing this? Why did I use this picture? Or that video? What the heck? Not difficult. Not difficult. It's just a task. And this is okay. Let me be honest. Let me just have a moment of transparency. This is why part of the reason why I haven't been streaming as much as I wanted to in the past is because when I'm faced with a task, I think about it in a more difficult sense than what it needs to be. So let me just get over this in real time. All right. Okay. I don't want it to be right here. Let me just zoom out and do something else. Right here, I guess. I don't know. Man, please. Oh, this is the edge? Okay. So I don't like this. It's too small. Wait. Too big. The customer can only Oh, okay. I think this explains. Do I want to do it right here or right here? I'm making a new note so it just hovers. Wait. Please. Okay. Okay. They do, but in the event, okay, this is where my brain is going. In the event that they want to do this and this is technically two options. Like two, these are two different orders, but this is still on the table. If they do this, then that's half of an order, and that's not accounted for here. Are we following? Yes. Yes. This is technically 6, and this makes it 9. So it can only be 6 or 12. This is 12. This is 9. All right, hold up. How do I change this to like just be a multiple of 3? Just to make it make sense. Hold up. Because they're all just multiples of 3. Yeah. Hold up. Hello. Please, where's... Why can't this just scroll? Does that work? Okay. So this right here, we're on the 6 meal option, right? This is 3. This is a completed order. Are we following? Okay. Now, if someone wants or assumes that, okay, we're still on the same page, I can still order more. If they just select this because they want to try protein pasta, they can't do that because that's now starting a new 6 meal option. They would have to do this in order to make 2 different orders. Granted, the logic could be handled right here, which it is. Oh, I see how this can work. Okay, if someone only has this, it can just throw an error and be like, okay, this is an odd number of choices. Either take one off. Oh. Either take one off or add one on. So I already had it. Oh. Chicken, are you following? Am I like okay, once someone does this, a pop-up can be like you know like how this can be required and it says like hey, this is required field or whatever. A pop-up can be like, you know, you have an unfinished meal option or something worded better. Either take it off or finish the order. I don't think Mr. Chicken likes this. I don't need Gemini. I have y'all. Chicken has not responded yet. He does not like this at all. Or he's pissed off at me. Let me write that down because this actually makes sense. The customer can only order one meal at a time. Oh, wait. How would I order 10 if I can only... Oh, let me go back. How can you order 10? All I have to do is just like figure out which meal plan they have and just do a variant of either 3 or 5. But just to show you, this is how. Because now it's in increments of 5. So this is 5. This is an order. 10 meals. So if someone does this, this is now a completed order and now an incomplete order. Yes. Yes. I'm terrible at explaining things, and this is my fault. I take full accountability for that. I'll improve in the future. Yeah. So all I have to do right here is probably just check which... no. It's something about... Okay. Selected meal plan. There. Thanks, Gemini. I guess Gemini did help. Wow, thanks, Gemini. Oh, crap. This is now confusing. Why'd this do this? Why is this doing this? What? Hello? I'm upset. Anyways. Only on that is doing that. Okay. So. Oops. You should just store the meal plans as numbers instead of a string that has oh, it's in con the console log. So like, and when someone says order, it checks it. These are the selected meals. This is the selected meal plan right here. This is the selected meals, and this is the count. I don't know if this is big enough. Is this not a map? Okay, can you? Okay, I think I understand what you're saying, but why would I do that? Because isn't this the same as having a number? Meal plans one, whatever. Uh, what? I think you're saying something different than what he's saying. I think. But Mr. Chicken is saying to eliminate this. He's saying to eliminate this by putting like the use state to just 6. But what's the difference? Like, what's the incentive to do that when this is doing the same thing and already works? Would that be bad? Meal plan. Wait. To just eliminate all this and just change it to 10. Oh, crap. Because you could use it as a number, then like easily limiting how many they can select, whatever. Basically just comparing against it. My brain is starting to hurt because I'm trying to understand why I would do that. I think I need to change this now because like just going into the future, if I go forward with this and this is not the optimal way to do this, I'm just gonna have to redo the logic anyways. But my understanding is the value is a value is a value. So like whether this is a string or an integer. Fine, fine, fine. Hold it, fine. Okay, fine. I'll just go forward with this. Fine. Okay. Not name. What did I just say? It might. Wishful thinking. Wishful thinking. In the future, maybe. Okay. So. Meal count. Why does it say name? I don't like this. Could be. Could be. Wait. True. But yeah, that is further down the line. So yeah, you're not wrong. So this is working. I still need to fill this out. I think I already have like an understanding. I just need to write it out. So oh, I got a LinkedIn message. Not message, but notification. I was like, what the heck? Yeah, if you want to implement an admin area where oh yeah, that's yeah. Once I get like the consumer facing thing working, yes. I don't know if that's like a bad practice to do the consumer facing thing first and then the admin thing, but I think I'm just gonna do the yeah. Um. Uh. Of chicken pasta. Can y'all see this? Can I up the font on this to make this easier to see? Hello. Let's go. Okay. What the heck? This is 18. 18. Cool. All right. What's it good? Oh, chicken pasta selected. Forza, 90% of it. Oh, my bad. My bad. I didn't know who I was talking to. My bad. Um, I just want to. Okay, I'm just thinking. I just want to thank y'all for being so cool and being understanding through my thought process because my thought process is kind of sporadic and hard to understand initially. But thank y'all for keeping me on the right track and listening. So thank you. And if they six chicken pasta and uh okay. Oh god, okay. Ooh. Ooh. You know, this actually does take some order of dedication because you photographed each step of the process. What? Wait, all these cans you use? Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's a lot. How long do you think this would take to eat? Would this last like a week? Cause yeah, it's frozen, but like, uh, okay, okay. Now I'm hungry. This sucks. Now I understand how y'all feel whenever y'all see this homepage or whatever. Now I understand how y'all feel. Now I'm hungry. And I just ate. Uh oh. Oh. Am I still? Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. These are two different orders. Could I do this? Like, just paste this into Gemini and then just have it. Mmm. What is that email? Stuffed leaves. I've never heard of this. Is this like Eastern European dumplings? Looks like Eastern European dumplings. But like leaves. I'm Googling. Oh, they're served cold? Oh. Oh. Well, either or. I don't think I've ever had grape leaves. At least, like, not knowingly. Um, I don't. Okay. I don't even think it's thinking about anything. It's just reading the file and then just making changes. It doesn't even work. What the heck? I may have to just input this manually. Because this isn't going to work. How would I handle that? Like each of these increments, how would I handle that? Whenever I do this, type submit, like on handle submit, let's check this logic. Whoops. What the heck? Okay. That's probably isn't going. Hey, let's try it. I did. Oh wait, is this what it's telling me to do? Oh gosh. Crap. Selected meals. Meal plan, selected meals. Selected meals would now be. Oh gosh. Okay. 3. What? Oh. Oh, it wouldn't be that. Oh. Instead of going by +1 and -1, can you make the actual number of meals selected go with the meal option? So, for example, if someone has 6 meals selected, can you increase the number or decrease the number by 3? And if they have 10 or 15 meals selected, can you have the number increased or decreased by 5? I think this is doing it. Yeah, this is doing. What? Why is there always an error? What? Now where is it? Current meal. Man, what? Am I just really not using it? But it's never read. But it's never read anyways. Fine. What? Oh, nah. Okay, the problem with this is that it's going by ones and twos. I'm scared to commit. I always think about committing, but I'm scared to commit. Because I don't want to, like, mess up the database or mess up the repo. Fine. Fine. Wait. 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 What makes this go by ones and twos? Wait. I don't understand. Okay, I'm still not a good programmer yet. So I just bundle in committing and pushing in the same thing. I'm not a Git expert just yet. I think Firebase just uses Git. Git is Git everywhere you use it. But is it? Okay. After I figure this out, I'll do it. Okay. True. I think I do have multiple branches on this repo. So when I do this, the on-click select button handle select. What? People actually do it if they change one line and they commit it? That's insane. That's insane. That's not efficient. You make the updated meals match the meal plan size instead of using plus plus. Can you make it match if someone has selected 6 meals or 10 or 15 meals? I'll probably have to redo all of this then because this is why? Why? Let's try it. Where is this even, like, where's the air even coming from? What the heck? Where? Stop going by ones and ones and twos. It's right here, I think. I'm just trying to just see what it says. What? Wait, what does that say? No. Actually, I messed up. It would be that. Okay. So oh crap. Oops, I'm peeking. I forgot. I'm actually supposed to be somewhere. Oh, like 6 minutes ago. So, I I think I'll go ahead and log off. But I'm not done thinking about this, and I think I'm really close. I just need to change these 1s and 2s to correlate with 6, 10, and 15. Like I guess this is just the new signing off way. Um okay. All right. Um but I'll I'll talk to y'all later. I don't know if it's gonna be later today. So peace.